Assalamu alaikum. I am Abul Hayat Shamim from group number 2. Our project name is Web Based Application for Personalized Nutrition and Food Consumption. We divided the project work in three parts: front end, back end, and JavaScript part. Me and Murad Mustaqim did the front end and another two features. Mustaqim Billah worked on back end and Kaji Naumin did JavaScript part and front end of BMR. Now I will give you an overview of this project. When we load the home page, we can see the first view of our web application. After entering the home page, we can see there are some features in the navigation bar like home, about us, BMI, BMR, recipe suggestion, and a daily checklist. Let's talk about BMI. BMI is basically body mass index. We can measure it by a formula: weight divided by height square. Then we can compare the result with the standard value chart of BMI to have an idea about any random individual, like is the person healthy, obese, or underweight. Now BMR. It stands for basal metabolic rate. It's mainly calories consumption of a person when he is in complete rest. Generally, BMR value of a man is higher than women. Then come recipe suggestion. It suggests food for weight gain or loss, but we advise you to have a prescription from nutritionist. Finally, daily checklist where you can add or delete your task, food routine, and many more things. Thank you. Now each feature and technical part will be described by my fellow groupmates.
So this is our sign up section where you can sign up your account with providing your username, email, and password. So we are giving the username Max, and the email we are setting max@gmail.com, and we are setting a password. So after clicking the sign up button, it will take us to the sign in page where you can sign in with the username you used in the sign up section. Assalamu alaikum, my name is Murad Mustaqim. This is our homepage, and I will show you the about us section and the recipe suggestion section. So if we click the about us section, it will take us to the another page where we have a navigation bar at the top where we have three sections. One is about, one is features, and one is contact. So if we click the about section, it will take us to the about section, and where we added a description of our app. And if we click the features section, it will take us to the key features section where we added the name of the features. And if we click the contact button, we will go to the contact section where we provided our email to contact with us. And if we go back to the home page, there is a recipe suggestion section. If we click this, there is a slideshow in this section where we have added the recipe for weight gain and for weight loss. We can pause the slide button, and we can click it left or right. So there is a recipe for weight gain, and there is a recipe for weight loss, and there is a section for our BMI chart. Thank you.
If the user clicks on the daily checklist, then a page like this will appear where she can create her own personalized checklist. For example, the user wants to remember certain details throughout the day. Maybe she wants to have some green tea in the evening, or maybe she wants to go for a walk, or maybe she wants to have an apple. So these are the things that will be there on the checklist, and once she is done with that, she can just tick it. And there will be two different categories given here where one of them will be completed and the other will be uncompleted, so she can see it whatever is completed and uncompleted, and she can delete it whenever she wants. So next, we will see one of our key features, that is the BMR calculator, where the user will have to give a few information about themselves. For instance, the user is a female whose height is around 190 centimeter and let her weight be around 65, and let's say her age is around 25. So if she clicks on the calculate button, then the result she gets is 1529 calories per day.
Hello there, Assalamualaikum. This is Mohammad Mustaqim Billah, and I'm going to present some walkthrough of our web-based application nutrition tracker. As you can see, this is the MySQL database of our web application. So if we get started, this is the home page, index.php, the home page right here. This is, if I run this home page into open file in browser, then okay, as you can see, this is the login page. This should have been the home page, but we cannot access the home page because we are not logged in right now, so it will redirect into the login page. So first of all, let's log in as Jack, and for Jack's password was Jack123. So if I click Jack123, Jack123, login, and then here this is the home page. Welcome Jack. This will show a message for Jack. So if I click BMI calculator, let's put some random data with 70 kgs. Then next, the height should be suppose 186 centimeter. If I click calculate, it will show the BMI in kg per meter square unit.